Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to select the template of your document on the Invoice Maker and PDFGenerator application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, tap on the settings button down below in the right side corner. Then you should scroll down to the template button in the invoices section. Here you can see the templates. If you slide to the right side, you can see that you have 3 templates that you can choose from, and down below you can set the color of your template. So just tap on the relevant layout that you prefer. Here you can see them, you can check them out, and then select the color. So just simply tap on it, and that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.